Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Easy English Practice channel. I'm Sarah, and we're really glad you're here with us today.
Hi, Sarah, and hello to everyone watching and listening. I'm Mark. Thank you for choosing to practice English with us today.
Mark, I really like starting our lessons together like this. It feels calm and friendly.
I feel the same way, Sarah. A relaxed start makes learning easier.
Exactly. So, Mark, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good and comfortable. I had a simple but nice day so far.
That's great to hear. Sometimes simple days are the best days.
I agree. How about you, Sarah?
I'm feeling happy and a little hungry, actually.
Hungry? That sounds like a clue.
Yes, it is, because today's topic is all about food, cooking, and everyday life.
That's a fantastic topic. Everyone eats, so everyone can talk about it.
Exactly. Food is something we all share, even if we're from different countries.
And it's perfect for practicing English. We can talk about habits, likes, dislikes, and routines.
That's right. So, Mark, let me ask you the first question.
Okay, I'm ready.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I do enjoy cooking. Not every day, but when I have time.
That's nice. What kind of food do you like to cook?
I like cooking simple meals, things like pasta, rice dishes, and soups.
Those are great choices. Simple food can still be very delicious.
Absolutely. What about you, Sarah? Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking very much. For me, cooking is relaxing
That's interesting. Why do you find it relaxing?
because I can focus on one thing, chopping vegetables, stirring food, and smelling the flavors.
That sounds peaceful. Cooking can be like a small break from the world.
Exactly. Mark, do you usually cook for yourself or for others?
Most of the time, I cook for myself, but sometimes I cook for my family.
That's very nice. Cooking for family feels special.
It really does. Everyone sits together and enjoys the meal.
That's one of my favorite things about food. It brings people together.
I agree. Sarah, what is your favorite meal of the day?
My favorite meal is breakfast. I love starting the day with good food.
That's interesting. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs, toast, and fruit, and I always drink tea.
That sounds healthy and comforting. I'm more of a lunch person
Really? Why lunch?
because lunch gives me energy for the rest of the day. It feels like a reset.
That's a nice way to think about it. What do you usually have for lunch?
I usually eat rice or bread with vegetables and some protein. Nothing too heavy.
That sounds balanced. Eating balanced meals is important.
Yes, especially when we're busy. Food affects our mood and energy.
Very true. Now, let's talk about food preferences.
Okay, I'm ready.
Mark, do you prefer homemade food or restaurant food?
I prefer homemade food. It feels healthier and more personal.
I agree. Homemade food has more care in it.
Exactly. What about you, Sarah?
I also prefer homemade food, but I enjoy eating at restaurants sometimes.
That makes sense. Restaurants are fun for special occasions.
Yes, and they give us new ideas for cooking.
That's true. Sometimes I try to recreate restaurant dishes at home.
That's a great way to practice cooking. Do you like spicy food?
I like a little spice, but not too much. I enjoy flavor more than heat.
I'm the same. Too much spice can hide the taste.
Exactly. Everyone has different tastes, and that's okay.
Yes, there's no right or wrong. Food is very personal.
Now let's talk about daily food habits.
Good idea. So, Sarah, do you eat at the same time every day? Most of the time, yes. I like having a routine.
Routines can be helpful. They make the day feel organized.
Exactly. Do you have regular meal times, Mark?
I try to, but sometimes my schedule changes. On busy days, I eat later.
That happens to many people. Life can be unpredictable.
Very true. That's why simple meals are important.
Yes. Now, let's help our listeners practice English.
Great idea.
So, everyone listening, think about this question. What do you usually eat in one day?
Try to answer using simple sentences. For example, I eat rice for lunch.
Or, I drink coffee in the morning.
That's perfect. Simple sentences are very powerful.
You can also practice using usually, sometimes, and always.
These words are great for talking about habits.
Now, Mark, let's talk about cooking memories.
Okay.
Do you remember the first thing you ever cooked?
Yes, I do. The first thing I cooked was scrambled eggs.
That's a classic first dish. How did it go?
It wasn't perfect, but it was edible. I felt proud of myself.
That's what matters. Everyone starts somewhere.
Exactly. What about you, Sarah?
The first thing I cooked was soup. I helped someone, but I felt very excited.
That's wonderful. Cooking can build confidence.
Yes, it can. Now, let's talk about food and emotions.
That's an interesting topic.
Do you have comfort food, Mark?
Yes, I do. When I'm tired or stressed, I like warm soup.
That's a great choice. Warm food feels comforting.
What about you, Sarah?
For me, it's homemade bread or tea. It makes me feel calm.
Food is connected to feelings more than we realize.
Very true. That's why eating mindfully is important.
Yes, eating slowly and enjoying the food.
Now, before we finish, let's ask one more question.
Okay,
Mark, if you had to cook one meal for someone you care about, what would it be?
I would cook a simple, warm meal. Something made with care.
That's a beautiful answer. Food made with care is always the best.
Now it's your turn, everyone.
Please write in the comments, what is your favorite food and why?
Try to write in English. Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help us learn.
And remember, learning English is a daily practice.
Just like cooking, the more you practice, the better you get.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this lesson.
Keep practicing, keep enjoying food, and take care of yourself.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone, and have a wonderful day.